Ridwan with student ID 15250130 from class 15 1A to 8. In today's video, we are going to talk about smoking in campus and also learn about the simple present tense in English. First of all, I will explain about smoking in campus. I think smoking on campus should be controlled. A campus is a place to study, so it should be clean and healthy for everyone. Cigarette smoke can disturb other people and is bad so for their health. However, I don't think smoking needs to be completely banned. The campus can provide a special smoking area that is far from classroom and crowded places. This way, both smokers and non-smokers can feel comfortable. By having clear rules and smoking areas, students will learn to be more responsible and respect others. It also helps create a better environment where everyone can study peacefully without being disturbed by smoke. I will explain about the simple present tense. Simple present tense is useful to talk about daily activities, habits, facts, and things that are always true. This in presentation, I will explain its definition, formula, and example to make it easy to understand. Definition about the simple present tense. Simple present tense is useful to express habit, routine, and general truth. This tense describe action that happen repeatedly or fact that do not change. In short, the simple present tense explain things that are always true or often done. Positive sentence. For positive sentence, the formula is subject plus verb 1 plus s or es. If the subject is he, she, or it, we add s or es. Example, she plays the guitar and they work hard every day. Remember, the s or es is only added for the third person singular. Negative sentence. For negative sentences, the formula is subject plus do or does plus not plus verb 1. Example, I do not like coffee, and he does not play football. Note that after do not or does not, the verb stays in its base form. Question. To form question, move do or does to the front of the sentence. Do or does plus subject plus verb 1. Example, do you study English? And does he work on weekend? Use does for he, she, and it, and do for other subject. Using do and does. Use do for I, you, we, and they, and use does for he, she, and it. Example, do they play basketball? And does he read the newspaper? This rule is important to keep sentence grammatically correct. main future. The simple present tense is mainly used to describe daily or repeated action, express fact or general truth, be used with frequency, adverb like always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, and never. Habit and routines. We use the simple present tense to describe habit or routines. Example, I wake up at 6 a.m. and she goes to school every morning. This sentence this sentence show action done regularly, facts and general truth. Simple present tense is also used to state general facts and scientific truth. Example, the earth moves around the sun and cuts like milk. Schedule and fix event. We can also ask the simple present tense to talk about schedules or fixed event. Example, the train leaves at 7 a.m. and the class starts at 8 o'clock. Adding s or es. If the subject is he, she, or it, we add s or es to the verb. Rules. The rules is add s, work become works, play become plays. Add es, go become goes, watch become watches. Es, study become studies. Irregular verbs. Some verbs change irregularly. Example, have become has, do become does, go become goes. Example sentence is she has a car and he does his homework. Common mistakes. Some frequent mistake. She plays guitar now become she plays guitar. He don't like pizza become he doesn't like pizza. Does they live here become do they live here. Pay attention to do or do's and adding s or es to verbs. Frequency adverbs. Frequency adverbs show how often an action occurs. Example, always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, never. Sample sentence. I always wake up early. She usually drinks tea. They never eat junk food. Time expressions. Time expressions indicate when an action occurs regularly. Example, every day on Mondays in the morning, at night. Sentence. He studies English every day. My mom cooks dinner at night. Exercise. Let's try some exercise. He go to school every morning. The answer is he goes to school every morning. They football on Sunday. The answer is they do not play football on Saturday. You like ice cream? The answer is, do you like ice cream? C. English every day. The answer is he studies English every day. The bus at 7 a.m. The answer is bus leaves at 7 a.m. Quick review. Let's review. Add s or es for he, she, it. Use do or does for negative sentence and question. Use frequency adverbs like always, often, never to show habit. Regular practice will make using the simple present tense easier. Summary table. And this is the explanation of the simple present tense formula in a table version. That's my explanation of the simple present tense. I hope this presentation help you understand how to use it in daily English. Thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Happy, happy.